Today, we are going to take a detailed look at Astrill VPN, how it works, and whether it is worth using. I will guide you through its features, setup, performance, and provide a comparison to help you make an informed choice. Astrill VPN is a virtual private network service designed to provide privacy and security while you browse the internet. It helps you hide your IP address, encrypts your data, and allows access to content that might be restricted in your country. The company behind Astrill claims it is fast, secure, and suitable for streaming and torrenting. Before we start, you can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price if you want a faster and more stable VPN later. To start using Astrill VPN, first you need to sign up on their official website. After purchasing a plan, you will receive login details. Astrill offers apps for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even some routers. You can download the app for your device directly from their website. Once you have installed the app, open it and log in using the credentials provided. The interface is relatively simple. On the main screen, you can see options to select a VPN protocol, choose a server, and enable additional features like stealth mode or auto connect. Astrill supports multiple protocols, including OpenWeb, Stealth VPN, and WireGuard. OpenWeb is optimized for speed and works well for regular browsing. Stealth VPN is designed to bypass strict network restrictions, which is useful if you are in a country with heavy internet censorship. WireGuard is a modern protocol that provides a balance of speed and security. Selecting a server is straightforward. You can pick a country from the list or use the Quick Connect option, which automatically connects you to the fastest available server. Astrill also allows you to create a list of favorite servers for quicker access. Performance is an important factor. In my tests, Astrill provided decent speeds, particularly on nearby servers. Streaming in HD was possible without buffering, and downloads were consistent. However, on long-distance servers, there was a noticeable drop in speed compared to other premium VPN services. Security features in Astrill include AES 256 encryption, DNS leak protection, and a kill switch. The kill switch ensures that your internet connection is blocked if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, keeping your data safe. However, some advanced security settings require manual configuration, which may not be ideal for beginners. Astrill also supports split tunneling, which allows you to select which apps use the VPN connection and which do not. This is useful if you want some apps to maintain local network speeds while others are protected. The pricing of Astrill is higher compared to other popular VPNs. They offer monthly, yearly, and long-term plans, but the monthly cost is significantly more expensive. This can be a deciding factor if you are budget conscious. Customer support is available through live chat and email. The support team is responsive and provides guidance for installation or troubleshooting issues. However, some users have reported occasional delays during high traffic periods. Now, regarding whether Astrill is worth it, it depends on your needs. It works well for bypassing censorship, streaming, and general privacy. The speeds are acceptable for most tasks, but the higher price and occasional configuration complexity may not appeal to everyone. If you are looking for a VPN that is generally easier to use, provides consistent speeds across all servers, and is more affordable, NordVPN is a better alternative. It has apps for all major platforms, simple setup, strong encryption, fast servers worldwide, and additional features like ad blocking and threat protection. You can try NordVPN at a great price using the link in the description. Overall, Astrill can be a useful tool for specific situations, especially for bypassing restrictions in strict countries, but for general use, NordVPN offers a more balanced experience at a better value.